Thank you, and good afternoon, everyone. Have you ever imagined living in one of these space habitats? With robots and rovers moving around, building and repairing things to keep life going in one of the harshest environments known to humanity. Making this happen isn't just about getting to space, it's about building in space. Throughout history, manufacturing has been a cornerstone of human progress, from crafting our very first tools to now creating entire cities. Now imagine how much more complex that will be if we're doing it millions of miles away from Earth. Now, of course, space has its unique challenges, right? High thermal gradients, radiation, vacuum, and microgravity. These harsh conditions don't just make life difficult for us humans, they make manufacturing complex too. Materials behave differently, traditional manufacturing processes fail, and small defects can become catastrophic. So researchers rely on several approaches to fully understand manufacturing dynamics and complex material behavior in extreme conditions such as in space. Physics-based modeling and simulations are very powerful tools, yet they often fall short due to oversimplified assumptions, unknown parameters, and high computational cost. We can do experimentation in simulated environments. They also have their own limitations. This parabolic flight test basically is very commonly used for microgravity research. However, it can produce 20 to around 30 seconds of microgravity duration at a time, which is far too brief to fully understand and capture complex material phenomena like material solidification. And finally, no one wants to do actual experimentation in space, although it's inevitable. But this is the really costly alternative, and of course can pose safety risks to the astronauts. So what's the solution? So to address these limitations, our group, a smart manufacturing of the future, and I can also see them in the background there sitting, take a different approach at the Mechanical and Industrial Engineering Department. So we're integrating physics-based insights with machine learning to try to bridge the gap between the well-understood terrestrial manufacturing conditions and dynamics and unknown manufacturing dynamics under the complex conditions such as in space, where data is limited, scarce, and costly to gather. By embedding multi-scale, multi-physics phenomena such as heat transfer, fluid flow, and grain growth with data-driven models, we can create predictive tools that are not just accurate, but also adaptable. As a result, we can better understand, optimize, control, and advance in space manufacturing research. We can significantly reduce experimentation efforts and also provide and enable a safer, more efficient, and smarter way of fabricating and repairing infrastructures beyond Earth. So let me ask you the same question. Can you imagine yourself living in one of those space habitats? I hope you do now, because our group, alongside many, many great researchers around the globe, are working hard to turn that vision into a reality. And that future is much closer than you think. Thank you so much.